exponential and logarithmic models. So in this chapter, we're actually only going to focus on our exponential growth model, which is y equals ae raised to the bx, and b has to be greater than 0. So let's look at this example, solving a logarithmic equation. The amount S in billions of dollars spent in the United States on mobile online advertising in the years 2010 through 2014 are shown in the table and scatter plot. An exponential growth model that approximates the data is S equals 0.00036 e raised to the 0.7563 t, and the time has to be between 2010 and 2014. T represents the year with t equals 10 corresponding to 2010. We're going to compare the values found using the model with the amounts shown in the table. And according to this model, in what year will the amount spent on mobile online advertising be approximately 65 billion? So what we are given is we're given in the equation, and we also know 65 billion, that is going to be S. S equals 65. So let's go ahead and plug that in and solve for it. So this is going to be 65 equals 0.00036 e raised to the 0.7563 t, and then solve for t. So let's isolate this e first, so 0.00036, 0.00036. And so on this left side, when you do the calculator, you'll get 180,556 equals e to the 0.7563 t. Then, in order to continue solving, you take the natural log of both sides, and so you will have natural log of 180,556 equals 0.7563 t. To isolate t, you divide by 0.7563. And then what you would get is t, you do that on your calculator, and t would approximately be 16. So according to the model, the amount spent on mobile advertising will be about 65 billion in 2016, and you could write a complete sentence to finish that out. So try this example here. In example 1, in what year will the amount spent on mobile online advertising be about 300 billion? So you're going to use the same formula up here, and so now you're just going to use S equals 300. So go ahead and try this out. All right, so if you tried this out, you'd have gotten t is approximately 18, so it would be about 300 billion in 2018.